Hi, Angel. I got your box. Thank you. Okay, I'm doing this unboxing as a message to you, as a thank you, and also so I can put it up on as YouTube as an unboxing. So this is both a message and an unboxing. I don't have a very good knife. I guess I could get one downstairs and start over, but I'm not going to do that. I wonder what's inside. Okay, I'm not going to be very nice with the envelope or the outer package. Okay. Got it. Okay. A box. What's funny, never mind. My address here, this is in Japanese, this is the same in English, so it's on here twice. It doubly got to me, or maybe that's why it took a little bit longer. Okay. Oh. Reusing a box. Good job. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. Snow. Packaging. Bubbles. And a note. And more snow. Angelic Alchemy. Texas cedar soap for oily skin. Ingredients: sweet oil, water, olive oil, lye, essential oil, primrose oil, and love. Okay. You see it? It's that lined up. Cool. Angelic Alchemy. Forbidden soap. Absinthe and black rice. Olive oil, palm kernel oil, rainwater, organic palm oil, lye. Maybe I shouldn't give your ingredients. Wait, no, it's okay because it's on the package. So, pure unprocessed hemp oil, natural essential oil, black rice, and inspiration. Okay. I was like, am I giving away the secrets? Can't give away if they're written on here. Angelic Alchemy green soap. This feels pretty soft. Patchouli, sage, and hemp. Take a shower, hippie. Look at my room. It's craziness. Ingredients: olive oil, rainwater. Pure unprocessed hemp oil, lye, palm kernel oil, natural essential oils, and love. Bum, bum. Lavender. Lavender. Ooh, this is big. Angelic Alchemy strawberry plumeria everyday soap. Ingredients: water, palm kernel oil, palm oil, corn oil, canola oil, motor oil, just kidding, lye, fragrance oil, spice, flower petals, and love. Angelic Alchemy Mocha Valencia soap. Ingredients: olive oil, water, palm kernel oil, misspelled kernel in this case, palm oil, lye, essential oil, cocoa butter, unsweetened chocolate, and love. 100% natural, only tested on lucky human friends. That's me! Woohoo! Nice. Bum, ba, bum, bum, bum. Mint mojito. Wow, I can smell the mint for sure in that one. Mint mojito. Ingredients. Mint leaves. Cool. Angelic Alchemy. Key Lime Prosperity Soap. Ingredients: sweet day oil, water, olive oil, lye, coconut oil, essential oil, and love. I like this color. Cherry bomb. Wow. Thank you. And 3 more snowflakes. Thank you very much. Today I will start with take a shower, hippie. Angelic Alchemy green soap. Take a shower, hippie. Okay, thank you. Bye.